Brothers on three! 1, 2, 3, brothers!
Griffin Mustangs! Run, boys! Send it! What are you doing? Help me!
Oh, last one!
Straight handed.
No, it's easy. It's fun. It keeps the gun away from me.
Chase it! Go, Andre! Nice, Andre!
When you're born. Trying to cover it up. You have hiccups?
With the ref. Come on, Charlie. Tackle him. Whack him, boys.
Place there.
Nice, Dylan. Get under it.
That's a great kick. Get on it. Get back in. Connor, go home. Preston. Go home. Preston Martha.
Let's go. Dominate, boys.
Nice, boys. Drag him back. Light speed! Yes, boy! Off the neck rim! Nice, Jermaine!
They're all in front of you.
Get on side! Nice, Percy!
Go with him. Chase Connor up, everyone.
Oh, nice.
Get set here, get set. Tell him to grab that ball. No more offloads. On that ball, on that ball.
What's outside?
On the ball!
Boy, come
On the ball! On the ball! Yeah, he's got that ball. Yeah, good work.
Nice, Noah!
Yeah. Light speed, boys, light speed!
Yeah, because I'm
On the ball, on the ball! Up.
Outside! Come on, Percy!
Black to what? Blue. White.
Yes, nice. Stay in the ground, yes, stay in the
We
ground.
add the whole dump of black. What will it make?
2 minutes, Liquor.
Do you have black pen?
I know, but
You should just be yellow like this.
no, but he laughs like a minute.
So you got to go see the lady in the pink. Tell her you're going to
I'm going on foot number 8.
I think I like this.
Numbers! Kick it!
Chase Connor!
Stay.
Wacky boy!
Get lekker!
Let's look at it.
That's we're working for it, boys! Work for it! You got water?
They're off!
Offside. Break the scrum early!
Have him, Joe.
No fullback, no fullback.
Go.
Break it.
Run! That's it.
Work rate! Go with him! Go with him!
Hey, controlled set here. Don't think they have to score. Controlled set.
Nice, Charlie.
Good work, Connor.
Numbers right! Call it, Preston! That's up, Jack. Come on, man.
Come on, Trey.
We got lucky there. That's
Connor, get set for the back line. One at a time.
Get him, boy!
Come on, run with him, Charlie.
Yeah, we're too shallow.
Yeah.
Get set, Connor.
Take your time. Now. That's better.
Dick.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, knocked on them. Yeah, 6 to go.
Connor, compress him, compress.
Nice, boy.
Yeah, Mustangs! Good, good. Tell him, wrap that ball up, Mustangs! Wrap the ball!
Marker.
Ball. Yes. Line speed, boys!
Yeah.
No outside. Ball. Get on that ball, Mustangs!
Nice speed, boys.
Yeah, nice X. Nice pressure.
Drake, get run, Connor.
Easy work. Come in.
Hold it. Yeah, Connor. Too easy, Connor.
Hey, Connor, that's a really good minute of play there, bro. Keep that up. That's really good. Check on Lecker. Come on, Percy.
Move up on it, boys.
Right there.
Nice, boy.
Nice work, Jermaine. Good cover. Yes. Locked it. Nice work, Jermaine.
It's the lady in pink. Come on. Yeah.
Pitch now. 10. Yeah, go for 10.
10. Oh, 16.
Yeah, thanks. So Penny, big effort. This is what we want for you.
Do that if you're up. Towards the end of the set,
Because those things
Nice, Owen.
Let's go, Mustangs.
Wait, if I did like this.
Push up.
Up and play it. Nice.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Nice, Xavier.
Awesome. Awesome.
You're going to lead from the front. Make sure you wrap that ball in those tackles for us.
Good job,
Other one of the same Go, Preston!
Get up, get up, get up. He's hanging on, hanging on. Get out of the rough.
Come on, boys, we got this.
Here we go.
Oh.
Unlucky. He's there.
Make up for it, boys! Make up! Fix it!
Where?
Number 14.
Number 14. Yeah, he's got a limp on him.
Limping, yeah.
Oh, not he's lost it. It's ours. Good work, boys. I'm going to go check on Jack. Penny. Go.
Go, Penny!
Go. I don't think he's up.
I still think this is different.
I'm still going. I don't want to read it.
No, I'm pissed.
No. You can't pause the game. That's not the rules.
I'm not playing anymore.
We're not playing anymore. Oh, why? Okay. I don't have to read it. I know what it is. I'm bored. I'm doing it. Look, I'll read it. Okay, I will. That's not cool.
No, please.
I read it.
No.
I did.
Just go read it again. I did.
You hear? Okay, I'll read it. That's not cool.
No. I did it again.
Maybe we could do this check. That's not cool.
No, read it.
That's not cool. That's cool. You didn't get me, Ava. Ava, you didn't get me.
Started to slow down now. We're starting to make it happen a little bit. That first head,
Get out!
Shepherd. Oh, well, what's the language? What's the language?
Hey, Jack.
Oh, I can't have that language.
What's that? I'm Christian. I thought you were Jason.
Yeah. Jason Christian.
I didn't move.
I got you.
I didn't
You
move.
did, Ava. John, Ava was going to follow the rules.
I
Some
did.
water because they're getting on to me.
I did too. You should run on.
Get involved, Penny!
No, but look, I'm not.
Take it, Penny!
Ava, no, I promise. There's someone there. Ava, I promise. Look, I promise.
Run with him, Preston!
He's walking away. Ava, look, I'll go away. Yeah, Ava, he's walking away. He's walking away. Ava, he's gone. No, he's there. But Ava, he's gone
Tell me
now.
where to go.
Yeah.
I'm not passing that.
Connor! Get deep!
I wasn't joking, I promise.
Connor, come deep!
Where's our lead runner?
It was. If he comes back out, can you look down if he comes back out?
Go. Give it. Go, Drake.
You little liar!
That's all right. He was an old man who walked back into his house.
Dayton, compress! Dayton! Good work, Mustangs! Good work!
Keep running.
I wasn't trying to do it.
Marcus work! Marcus work! Yeah, let's go Mustangs!
Up, Preston.
See? I was so
Yeah,
I was
baby!
telling you.
Wasn't it? Yeah! Talk him up, Connor. Talk him up. Talk him up.
You're a liar. Oh, my God! I won!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, because they would have been clapping. No, they would have been happy.
They won.
Hey, I can't believe you. What are you talking about? That one. Nah, because we kind of swapped stuff. Oh, that was one there.
Yeah, it's Dylan's dad.
Oh.
No.
Do you believe it now? How? He's right down.
Yeah, it's got to be us.
There you go. I'm going to get you glasses. Okay. She's the manager.
Get deep, Connor. Work your set, Mustang.
Yeah. She's the boss of the team.
Are you the best of me?
Yeah, 'cause she's the manager. She's the boss of the team.
Go, Penny.
Yeah, Penny!
She's the boss of me. I'm the
Up in pairs, boys. This is a perfect lead.
You're the boss of me.
Right now. On the boat now, guys.
Who's with him?
Sit down and clap now. Look at the string.
Yeah, good job. Point over. Good job.
Left! Go, Owen.
Go, Owen!
Connor, stand up! Yeah, that's a settler, that's a settler. Oh, lost it.
Unlucky. 3 minutes. Keep him down here.
Dre, 3 minutes.
Keep him here.
Keep him down here. Talk him up, Dre, that was good work. Who you got, boys? Who you got?
Whoever can teach us how to this for test
Win.
Oh! Marcus work, Marcus work! Wrap that ball! Wrap that ball! Yeah, nice work, boys, nice work! Yeah, keep it on, Preston. Nice work!
Up together, up together. Run it straight.
Let's, watch that ball! Yeah, good work! Marcus work!
Straight home, straight home.
Marcus
straight
work!
home.
Hold for a minute, boys! Oh, good work. Yeah. Hold, let's go! Light speed. Up, boys! Ah! Get there, Jack. Help them out. Go for a run, Connor. Run! Boys, patient. Go on, Connor. Nice! Connor! Get in there, Bex. Trey!
Let's go, Percy, let's go.
Hold him down!
You put your tongue in.
Yeah!
No, you went up.
No, I didn't, Ava. Ava, I
You
did.
did, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. No, I'm not playing.
Whoever starts.
Yeah!
Ava, you have to move your phone. Ava, you have to move your phone. Ava.
Okay. Okay, let's do He didn't get it.
You didn't get it. No. Cheater. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I can just...
The first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Hey, Ro.
1, 2, 3.
What are you doing? I'm staying.
I declare from my graduation.
Yellow and off the line, off the line. That's it, let's go. Get back. Oh, it come. Come on, Owen, work. Boys, line them up. Free shot, Penny, free shot. Line it up, boys, line it up. Penny. Catch it, Penny. Line it up, boys. Let's go, boys, boys. Oh, let's go, Owen.
Come on, boys, you can remember this game.
Zach, 11.
Don't. Please. Good one.
Keep it down there.
I just look at the words to recognise. Oh, please. Don't.
I just need to protect the camera.
Up in pairs, boys. That's it.
Good run, Noah.
Number 11 Spartan boys.
Get him on, son.
Get number 11
Let's go.
Up in pairs,
Go, Preston.
Oh, break.
Let's go, let's go.
Get him on, ref, left side. Too flat, boys, too flat. You've got to run onto that ball. Get him up, get him up.
Big run. Let's go. Yes. Nice. Go, Owen. Go, Owen. Run at him.
Hold that ball. Oh, lift it. We're on, boys, we're on. We're on here, boys. Don't chase it. Yes, good kick, yes. He touched it. Yes.
Let's get set for the drop out. Get set for the drop out. Let's go. Drop out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get set. Owen. Owen. Switch on. Get set.
Set up for a drop out.
Sideline.
Come on, Mustang.
So confused when he's holding it.
Oh, Penny.
Penny.
Oh, Penny. 50!
Yes. Good work.
And stay deep here in this second set.
Okay, so that was a good one. Do you have it next one?
I'm not sure. And then drink some water afterwards. Just sort of get stuck with
That's it, run.
Nice time!
You know, I haven't got
Owen, get him
Stay deep. Stay deep.
Run onto it.
Stay deep.
Yes. Pick it up. Yes. Get in there. Oh, go. Not yet. It's there.
Come on, Owen.
Yes, get it.
Get him deep, get him deep, get him deep!
Big boys in the post. Big boys in the post.
Come on, there's a gap up.
Go, Brad. Go, Preston.
Now.
Right there.
Sweep it.
Yeah.
Get back, let's go! Turn around, middle, turn
I'll
around!
let you know what Edie says about Saturday as well.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Wrap the ball!
Yeah.
Wrap the ball! Wrap that ball up, Matt. Running pins, Matt.
Chase! Go, Zay!
Regroup, Mustang, regroup. Defense, defense.
Yeah, right. Just stay on. Got to defend this set. Defend this set and I'll get you off. Nate, no, don't defend. Hooker. Yeah, straight away. Let's go.
Owen, watch your wing.
Come on, come on, come off this side, come off.
Well, this wing and usually he was off.
Yeah.
So,
Exactly. Get him lined up.
Dre, just wait 2 seconds.
They're going one way, boys. Push in, push in.
Yes!
Take him on his back, on his back. One way, boys. They're going Eastfield, one way. Press. Ball, ball, ball. Sounds fucking good work. Well done. Well done.
You now, Matty, you now.
Good, Matty. Pass, boys, pass. Pass. Step. Come on! Go with him, go with him!
Go, Jimmy! Go!
Go with him! Come on, Maddie, get in there. Run straight, straighten it up. Oh, go! Get up in there! Stay up.
And it was a shitty ball too.
Go with him, boys!
That's it.
This way, deep! Yes, use Jermaine as a lead runner. Jermaine, lead runner to Noah. Go. Yeah, that's it, too. Oh, I raced it! Hold the ball! Watch blind side. That's yours. Yes, ball. Good work. On his back.
He lost it!
Yeah, boys!
No, mate. No way.
Yeah, he's like, what do you mean? I don't know.
I'm not sure he went like that after as well.
Of course I had him.
They don't want it, Mustang.
Draw him in, Owen, draw him in. Play your game, Owen, play your game, Owen. Big pump to the face, Owen.
Go, boys. Come on. Big run. Help him. Oh, what?
Dive, Owen, dive! Get it back, Owen, get it back! I can't push the mark up.
Yes. That's it. Nice work. Run. Run, Xavier. Go, Owen. Let's go, Mustang. Reset. Come on, boys.
Pairs, boys, pairs! Who's with him? Yeah, that's it.
Go, Dylan. Go, Zach. Go, Zach.
If you want.
Zach. Yeah.
Hey, Lecker, would you rather play left side second row or do you want to go back to front row? Hey? You play second? Okay.
So many times that they kick off on one.
Run in pairs, boys! That's it. Hold it, hold it. Patience, boys. Go onside, sir, onside, right side, white head here.
Yeah, exactly.
Throw it, though. Out the back. Out the back. He's got a lock on. Number off, boys. Number off. Number off, boys. No points, no points. Take it to the line! Take it to the line!
Zito, get down there, push him in, compress.
Boys, number up! Man up, boys! Man up, Mustangs! Take it! Take it! Take it! On him, boys! On him!
Get up, get up.